Hello friends, today I just wanted to show you how to make more expressive front bumper of a C8 z06 3LZ. I'm gonna remove this side and let's do it. Okay, with a plastic stick you have to push. Okay, I already removed this cap. As you seen, you have two screws here and you have two here. Okay, okay, let's do it this side as well. The weather is hot. Okay, I remove this side as well. Two screws here. Okay, just I have to remove these two, and this is the, I believe, that plate cover. One, make sure with the plastic, not the metal. Metal make a scratch on it. Okay. Okay, I removed this side as well. Do you see? You should first, I'm gonna remove this and this, and after that these two. Remember, just with T15. Okay, T15. Okay, I remove these two and these two, and let's do this one. Make sure don't turn too much. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, this is released now. Okay, I already removed this, as you see. Perfect. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put back all screws T15 in here and this side, and after that I'm gonna put the cap on it. Okay, okay, now we are gonna put back from bottom. Is much better. Okay, don't do from top section, from bottom. Okay, as you see. Okay, okay, nice. Bottom have two teeth, as you see. Okay, great. As you've seen. Okay, let's see what happened. More exercise. As you see, so beautiful now, much nicer and attractive. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, just please like it or subscribe my channel. See you later. Bye bye.